Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Sweatcoin and granting motion and location permissions so steps count reliably. Once done, link Apple Health or Google Fit to sync steps automatically. This avoids manual uploads. Make sure background activity is enabled and battery optimization is off for the app, because pause tracking loses earnings. Next, set a realistic daily step goal between 3,000 and 10,000 so you build consistent income. Consistency matters more than rare big days because payouts compound over weeks. You should optimize how Sweatcoin converts movement into spendable balance by prioritizing confirmed outdoor steps. GPS-backed walks get full credit. Next, engage with daily challenges and limited-time boost offers to multiply earnings, and invite friends. Each referral adds to your steady inflow. Also monitor in-app marketplace deals. Prioritize high-value redemptions like gift cards or exchange credits that convert to cash or PayPal when available. Make sure to plan redemptions so you don't waste coins on low-value. When you're ready to monetize, select cash-equivalent redemptions or partner offers that pay via PayPal or vouchers. Confirm payout details and processing times. You should keep records of monthly receipts for tax or accounting if earnings grow. If steps don't appear, first resync the app and health sources, then confirm background permissions and disable aggressive battery saving. If problems persist, reinstall the app and contact Sweatcoin support with timestamps and device info. That usually resolves data sync or verification issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.